Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, lecturer EC department. In this session, we will be studying Unit 6 LPC 2148 Peripherals, lecture number 43. The contents those will be discussed in this session are GPIO features, applications, pin description, register description with examples. The first is GPIO. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input-Output Register. Device pins that are not connected to a specific peripheral function are controlled by GPIO registers. Pins may be dynamically configured as inputs or outputs. The value of the output register may be read back as well as the current state of the port pins. Features of GPIO. Bit level set and clear registers allow a single instruction set or clear of any number of bits in one port. Direction control of individual bits. All input-output default to pin inputs after reset. Backward compatibility with other earlier devices is maintained with legacy registers appearing at the original addresses on the APB bus. Next is applications of GPIO. The first application is general purpose input-output. Next is driving LEDs or other indicators. Next, control of chip devices. Digital inputs. Pin description. Pin description of GPIO. There are different pins in general purpose input-output. That is IO-DR, IO pin, IO set, IO clear, FIO mask, FIO pin, FIO set and FIO clear. So register description with examples. First is sequential access to input-output set and input-output clear affecting the same GPIO pin or bit. Next, state of output configured GPIO pin is determined by writes into the port input-output set and IO clear registers. IO0 DIR is equal to 0 cross 0080. DIR will indicate the direction of the pins. That is, the pins will be used as output pins or input pins. So in this, port 0.7 is configured as output. So giving 0 to the pins will treat it as output, whereas giving 1 to the pins will treat it as input ports. IO clear will clear that particular pin or port. IO set will set that particular pin, that is pin 0.7 to high. IO clear will clear the particular pin. An immediate output of OS and is on GPIO port. Write access to port input-output set followed by write to IO clear register. Results with pins outputting zeros being slightly later than pins outputting ones. There are systems that can tolerate this delay of a valid output, but for some applications, simultaneous output of a binary content, that is mixed zeros and ones within a group of pins on a single GPIO port is required. Thank you.